All right, this is video number 2 for Photopea. I'm showing you how to use your lasso tool to cut out the background of an image. So first things first, I want to use the Nike shoe and I want to cut out the background of it. So I have to first select that layer. And right now I can't see what I'm doing because my sunset layer is on top. So I can just click on the eyeball so we can see through to the shoe. Or I can actually just click and drag this layer and put it on top. So then that way the Nike shoe is on top and we can see what we're working with, the top layer. All right, so the lasso tool is the second tool down after the move tool. Your move tool just allows you to move things around on a screen. Your lasso tool right here, if I click on the down arrow, there's a drop down menu, and I'm going to choose you can choose lasso select or polygon lasso. I like polygon lasso because you can get a little bit more detailed. So I'm going to click on that and you're going to see your mouse turns into a crosshair. I'm going to essentially draw, like just like you were using scissors, I'm going to cut out this shoe. So if I click my mouse down at any point, I can start drawing around this shoe. And when I need to change directions to get another portion of the image, I just click down, and then it allows you to change directions with your mouse and get real close to the outline of this shoe. I'm going to go a little bit faster and it's going to be kind of sloppy because I don't want you to spend your whole time just watching me cut out this shoe. But this is going to allow you to remove the white background and be left with just the shoe. So you have to actually get your cursor to move from the start and connect all the way to the end. So the beginning of your line needs to connect to your end, and then you're going to notice that there's these little dotted lines. That means that you fully made that circuit and you're able to now cut out the background. So now that I've created that circuit, I can now, if I hit delete on my keyboard right now, actually you just got a notice that says rasterize. If you ever get that notice that says rasterize, come up to layer and select rasterize. That's going to be allowing you to use edit mode, okay? So now that you've done that, come up to actually, you can just hit delete on the keyboard and you notice it actually deleted the shoe and not the background. I'm going to Command Z to undo, Control Z. And instead of deleting just the shoe, I'm going to come up to select and do inverse. I want to cut out the inverse, the opposite. I don't want to cut out the shoe. I want to cut out the background. So I click inverse and then I hit delete on my keyboard. Then the background will go away. So now I'm just left with the shoe. And then you still have those dotted lines because everything's still selected. If you come up to select and hit deselect, those lines will go away. So now I'm left just with the shoe, and I can go up to the move tool and I can move the shoe around where I want it. Maybe I want the shoe over here. Okay, another thing I can do, if I hit transform, I can, and hold down shift, I can make the shoe smaller. So it's not so big. And that's the way that you would use your lasso tool. Okay, it allows you to cut out things in your background. Try it out.